Hi friends, welcome to Auditology with me, CA Niket Thacker. July 21 exam, the results are out, and you know which is the subject students have not scored well? Yes, auditing. And the reason is students don't give importance to that subject. The number of hours they are ready to give for practical subjects, the similar number of hours they never give for theory subjects. Another, they want a very precise material. Sir, short material do, summary de do. Here, ICAI has given you 2000 pages for auditing in CA final. If someone is giving you 200, 300 pages, how it can be sufficient? It can never be sufficient. Similarly, for intermediate, ICAI ka material is around 800, 900 pages. You want a material 200 pages, that will never work. I am telling you again and again, please don't take the subjects lightly. And there's a saying, the things which you take up lightly become your biggest difficulties. I don't want auditing to become your biggest difficulties, and that's why this auditology is to help you the terminologies relating to auditing. Before I move ahead with today's word, what is today's word? It's internal financial controls. Internal financial controls. Before I move on to that, I'll just share you details about my crash batch. Okay, those students who by chance were not able to clear this time, and if you feel that your concepts are a bit weak, please don't take the subjects lightly. I'll recommend you can take up a crash batch of auditing. Yes, I have already started my crash batch of auditing at Unacademy. It's probably getting over now. FR crash batch, I'm starting from 1st of October. So take up a crash batch if you feel your concepts are a bit weak. Sir, it's not going to cost you too much. The subscription, you can take up a 3-month subscription which will be sufficient for all CA final group 1 subjects. And 3-month subscription, the normal charges are 8,000. You can use code Yashish, you'll get a 10% discount. 7200 you are able to attend all subjects ka crash batch CA final group 1. Now let's go to today's term. Internal financial controls. Now see, what are internal controls? Leave the word financial. Internal controls are policies, procedures adopted by management. Yes, they are policies, procedures adopted by management which helps the management in fulfilling their responsibilities. See, management is responsible for so many things. I'm talking management, not auditor. The management is responsible for preparation of financial statements on timely basis, prevention, detection of fraud and error, orderly conduct of business, safeguarding of asset. So many things management is responsible, and for that purpose they put some policies, procedures that are nothing but internal controls. Some internal controls are related to financial area, financial statement, and some internal control are related to operational areas. They have some policies, procedures to ensure quality of goods come out proper. They have policies, procedures to ensure delivery of goods reaches to customer on timely basis. Amazon. When you purchase something from Amazon, they give you a delivery date, and you know every time the goods come on the same delivery date or probably earlier. Rarely it gets late. The reason, they have put up some policies, procedures which helps them in achieving this. They are nothing but the internal controls. Some controls relate to financial side, some controls relate to operational side. As an auditor, we are more concerned with internal financial controls related to finance. Okay, so what is internal financial control? Check the definition. It is policies, procedures adopted by the management to assist them in achieving management's objective, such as orderly conduct of business, safeguarding of asset, prevention, detection of frauds and errors, compliance with laws and regulation, adequacy of accounting records, timely preparation of financial statement. So these are policies, procedures adopted by management which helps them in related to financial statement. If you see, all objectives are more or less related to financial statements. Internal financial control. Now under your Companies Act, the section 143 subsection 3. Under section 143 subsection 3, there are 10 matters which an auditor has to report whenever he is doing an audit of company. If you are doing audit of company, mandatory you have to report on 10 matters. 9th matter is reporting on IFC. We have to report whether the company has adequate internal financial control system in place and whether they are operating effectively. Whether they have internal financial control system in place and whether they are operating effectively. This was the word internal financial control. Hope you understood it thoroughly. Yes, this terminologies will continue like this. Next time we'll have some another terminology. Any terminology which you want me to discuss, put it in the comment. And if you're liking this, please like our video, subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. Take care.